If you're looking for a quick, healthy back-to-school breakfast, then you're going to want to keep watching this video. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome. So friends, as I've mentioned, I am doing a back to school breakfast and lunch series. I'm going to be making a couple easy, quick breakfast and lunches for the kids for back to school, and even the parents too. I mean, they can make them for themselves as well. Many of these items can be prepared ahead of time. Today we are going to make a bacon, egg, avocado breakfast sandwich, or I guess you'd call it a sandwich. But the eggs and the bacon can be cooked ahead of time. I'm going to link my video below of how I froze avocados. And this makes it so much easier. You just take 2 out the night before and you have it ready for the morning. They stay fresh and ripe and you don't have to worry about it. So that's what makes this breakfast a quick and easy breakfast. And like I said, you can cook the bacon and eggs in the morning if you want. You can do it on Sunday and prep it for the week, you know, do like 3 of them, unless you want to eat it every day. But you can, you know, make them ahead of time. All you gotta do is salt in the microwave to nuke it for a few seconds and put it all together. So let me stop talking because I am rambling, and I'll show you all the ingredients and then we'll go ahead and get started. All right, my friends, so like I said, not many ingredients, very easy to do. As you see, I have 2 scoops of avocado there. I took those out and let them thaw, and as I said, I'll link the video on how I done that below. Super duper easy, and it's great. That way you have avocado every day and you don't have to worry about it going bad on you. I cooked up a couple slices of bacon. I just did 3. I usually do like 1.5 pieces on each slice of toast. 2 eggs, and then I have some 21 grain and seeds bread here, and I will put that in the toaster. And like I said, you can cook your bacon ahead of time, you can cook your eggs ahead of time, put them in the fridge and just do a quick, you know, nuke in the microwave. Now I'm going to go ahead and cook my eggs real quick. I am going to cook my eggs in the bacon grease because we like it that way. So let me go ahead and get started. Told you it was very few ingredients, easy to use. So let's head over to the stove. Like I said, I already cooked my bacon. We're going to go ahead and now cook the eggs and just put this together. It really is so simple, friends. It's a no-brainer. Let's get started. All right, we're going to go ahead and turn on the pan. I just cooked my bacon, so I'm going to go ahead and put my eggs in. I just punch. I don't usually add salt or anything if I cook, or pepper when I cook this. Oh, that didn't go well. When I cook it in bacon grease. If I cook it in butter, I will go ahead and do that. All right, so we're going to go ahead, let these cook up. All right, my friends, while my eggs are cooking, I just thought I'd show you the bread that I'm using. It's the Old Time Omega Me Crazy 12 grain and seeds. I thought I'd give you a quick, I don't know if you can see him, can't see him down there. Quick look at it. And there it is. I'm dropping seeds on the floor. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the toaster real quick while my eggs are cooking, and then we'll put our sandwich together when we're done. Alrighty. Do a little quick flip here. A new pan. It's hard to flip in this thing. Alrighty, we're almost there. Alright, my friends, my toast popped up. So I'm just gonna add my avocado right on here. My eggs are almost done. And as you can see, the 1 scoop is all you need for 1 slice of bread. There you go. Don't leave behind any. And then just go ahead and lay my bacon out, and as you can see, I do 1.5 slices of bacon, and it gives me exactly what I need. Now let me go over and get my egg. All right, my friends, I just take my egg, a paper towel and a paper plate, and I put my egg on there. Just try to get that excess bacon grease off. And then we just lay that right on top. And like I said, if I cook my egg in butter, or not bacon grease, I will top it off with, I think I top it off with a little bit of pepper, but usually I'll do a little bit of pepper and salt too. All right, let me just add a little bit of pepper. And then I will go ahead and slice that in half just to make life easier to eat it. Just like that. And friends, there you have it. And if you want, you can add banana to the plate and you're good to go. All right, there you have it, my friends. This is for my son. He's about to come down and eat it before he goes to work. So I am not going to be doing a taste test. Obviously, I already know what it tastes like because I love this. But I thought I would just share this quick, easy breakfast with you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button as it does greatly help me out. Also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites. And friends, please keep watching. I have plenty more breakfast and lunch back to school ideas coming your way. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.